Hey guys, hope you're doing good, and today I'm gonna tell you about how to stay focused on your goals or your career. Uh, Guys, it happens that many times we take that goal, we work on it, and the first 2 3 days are like we give everything what it is required. But after third day, after fourth day, we lose the interest, and we don't do the things which we have done on the first 2 days or first 3 days. That is where we take very long to achieve our goals. The one thing which is really very important when it comes to stay focused is that the amount of interest, the amount of passionate which you had while selecting the goal should be continuing all the days until it is achieved. And it is really very difficult, guys. I personally feel that it's really very difficult to keep that consistency in showing that interest towards our goal. But it is really very important that it should be kept on our mind, and that interest should be uh, fueling us each and every day. And most of the time it happens, guys, that we human beings wants the result to be happening on its own. Like we feel that, or everybody wants that all the goals should be achieved on its own, like it should happen for us on its own, which will never happen. And that is why whenever we are so much interested, whenever we are so much passionate on the very first 2 3 days, or when you start working towards your goal, it happens that you lose the interest. And guys, when you are very interested, when you are really very passionate, and you know that you are going to start on working towards goal, but when it happens that you lose the interest after third day, why it happens is, guys, we look for the results. We are result oriented, and when we don't get result after putting that hard work in that first 2 3 days, we tend to lose the interest. So the very first thing we need to realize is that, and very first thing which comes when your focus is that we need not to lose that focus. We need not to lose that interest until the goals is achieved, because we need to love that process. We need to understand that there are gonna be ups and downs when we want to achieve the goal, because the goals are also very high, and to achieve that high level, you need to go through all these blockers. You need to go with all those negative things or the positive things coming in your way. I will give a simple example of a car. Suppose a car driver. The car driver knows that where is his destination, and when he start the car, he reach the destination, and he knows the way also. So I will try to relate this with your goals. And how I will relate is that whenever you know that where you wanna go, or whenever you know that my goal is this, that I need to achieve this, and once you start, if you know the way, you will reach that destination. But if you don't know the way, you will find many different ways. And many different ways happens only when you one of the road, whenever it happens that a driver selects the road, and if he finds a blocker, he will choose another road to go to the destination. But what we need to understand, whenever you are not getting the result, you need not to change your goals, you need not to change your dreams, you need to change the path. You need to, like, suppose if the driver misses or that road is blocked, he will find some other road to get to the destination. So same goes with our goals. We should find that different ways, different paths. We need to reach out to different peoples to get our goals accomplished. And the second example, what I want you to understand is, suppose it happens that driver takes the car and he comes out, and suddenly it happens that the one of the wheel get punctured. Now, what does the driver do? He doesn't sit there. He doesn't crib about the time. He will find the solution. He will try to show hand to some other car. He will try to make call to that mechanic and try to get that sorted, because he knows that he need to reach the destination. He will hustle there. He will not stop there. And many times it happens that whenever we are trying to achieve some goal, and whenever there's a blocker, or whenever we are not getting result, what we tend to do is we tend to stop there. We don't move further, and that should not be happening. We should always try to find that solution, that what has that need to be done, what is that I need to do here, what is that whom do I need to contact here. So that's the thing, guys. And same when it happens with the driver, he will try to find it out, he will find the solution, he will try to find that mechanic and get that repaired. Somehow he will get that repaired, and he will get to the destination. Same should go with our goals, guys. We should also try to find that solution and approach towards our goal. And one more thing I want to tell you, that whenever there's a way, whenever there is a path, when driver goes, there are many ups and downs. there are many speed breakers. Same happens with our goals, guys. There will be many ups and downs, but the thing is that the driver knows that the destination which he need to go, he need to reach there. And no matter how many ups and downs are there, no matter how many speed breakers are there, he will cross all them. And same applies with our goals. Whatever blocker is coming, whatever negative results you are getting, please don't stop. Please try moving further. Please try going forward. Find that result, find that solution, find those people whom you need to contact, and march ahead, guys. That's the best example I wanted to relate with the car driver, because the driver knows that the destination, he knows his why. Same should be happening with our goals. We need to know that where I wanna do, or what I wanna do, or what is that my goal is. And when you start, don't stop at any point of the time. The two best way I want you to focus when it comes to achieving your goals is that the first thing is your behavior. Your behavior should be changed, guys. If you're doing the things which you don't like, and if you want your goals to be achieved, then it won't be happening. You need to do something which is related to your goal. Try doing this, guys. I want you to advise, or I want you to take as a suggestion. Whenever you're starting a day, start a day with writing that what is need to be done. No matter it's single thing towards your goal. What is that need to be done for your goal? Write it down. And at the end of the day, when you sleep, before you sleep, make sure that the thing is done. And when you're about to sleep, and if you haven't done anything related to your goal, then you don't deserve that sleep. Make sure that before you're sleeping, you complete that task, you complete that thing which you have listed in the morning. You can start with one thing daily and gradually increase on daily basis. So that's the thing, guys. Do this. That's behavior is really very important. You need to change the behavior, and once you change the behavior, then you start getting the results. Another thing I want you to understand is that you need to love the process. That journey, when driver goes, he enjoys the journey. He knows that he gonna reach the destination. He's enjoying all the way, all the scenes coming in that way. He will enjoy them. Same should be happening when we are on the journey to the goal. All the negative thing, or all the positive thing, all the things happening towards according to you or not according to you should be enjoyed. You need to love that process. You need to love that failure. And once you start loving it, once you start understanding the process, then surely you will reach your goal. Surely you will be that it will not happen that you are stuck. And when you enjoy the process, you will keep on going. That's the thing, guys. That is how you need to be focused. And focusing on your goals and careers is really very important. Make sure that you relate this with the example which I gave. So, and people, please tell your subconscious mind on daily basis that yes, I wanna do this, I wanna achieve this goal. Tell your subconscious mind on daily basis that yes, I want to do this, I want to get this. And when you trigger your subconscious mind, then things will start happening to you. Hope you loved this one. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys.